Hi! Let's go over the first question. In this question, we are going to simplify this expression. And the way that we are going to do this is, let's multiply on the top and then divide by the bottom.
Yep, that was me over a decade ago. So today, let's remake this video. We'll simplify this expression by using the rules of exponents. First, let's just work out the top. Here we have a regular number 6, but there's no other number that we are multiplying with. So the 6 right here will stay. Next, we see that we have this times that, right? X to the 4th times x to the negative 6 power.
I have x to the 4 and then x to the negative 6. When you have two things that they have the same base, what you're going to do is add the exponents. That's it.
So we have x, 4 plus negative 6 is the same as 4 minus 6. So we get negative 2. And again, this is because 4 plus negative 6. Then we look at y's, y to the 3rd power times y to the 9th power. We just add the exponents. So we get y to the 12th. That's because 3 plus 9 gives us a 12. And this right here we have z to the negative 3. So that is just that. And then over the bottom. But notice the bottom is that we have this to the 2nd power. So we can do the following. They are all multiplying inside, so we can just do 4 to the 2nd power, work that out, we get 16. Next, x to the negative 2 raised to the 2nd power, we can just multiply the powers. So negative 2 times 2 is x to the negative 4. Continue. Multiply this power and that power, so we have y to the 12th. And then this times that is z to the 6th power, just like that. Now, to simplify this, regular number, regular way. 6 over 16. 8 goes into, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 16 8 times. So first we have the fraction 3 over 8. Then for the exponents, we are going to do the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. So for the x, we have x, and we do negative 2 minus negative 4. So let me write that down. Negative 2 minus negative 4, which is the same as negative 2 plus 4, and that will give us positive 2. Continue with the y. Well, y to the 12, y to the 12, they just cancel out exactly, so it's just 1, yeah? Finally, z to the negative 3, and then this is z to the 6. So we do negative 3 minus the bottom exponent, which is 6. And that will give us negative 9. Almost done, because here we have this, and then this is z to the negative 9. When we have negative exponents, we are going to bring that down to the denominator. So ladies and gentlemen, we get 3x squared on the top over 8 times z to the power 9 on the bottom. And this is it.